Welcome to Tactile Carry, where we explore the world of everyday carry, one budget pocket knife at a time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting to build your perfect EDC kit, you've come to the right place. Today we're unboxing something new. Will this be the latest addition to your rotation? Who knows? Let's find out together. Stay sharp and let's get into it.
Okay, new knife day. So this particular knife, unlike others that I've bought, is its own animal, if that makes sense. A lot of these cheap budget knives that I purchase off AliExpress, Alibaba, not so much Temu, they're terrible. I can't find any good ones on Temu or even eBay. I find some good stuff on Amazon. A lot of times these less expensive knives are replicas of more expensive knives. That's not the case with this one. And I'll tell you what I mean. When we see it, I've taken photos of it, I've uploaded it to Google image search and come up with nothing. Meaning, you know, is it an original out of China? Somebody did some design work and did not take somebody else's design and reproduce it. More on that later. Let's crack this open. What are we opening with today? So this is the FLISSA button lock folding knife. It's 3.1 inch blade, D2 steel, G10 handle, all black with the gray accents and the gray button lock. Kind of like that. In fact, it's really the only button lock I have, meaning a big button lock here, not the smaller ones up here. But all right, let's see what we have here. Multi-purpose utility knife, outdoor camping, jungle survival tools, EDC, lightweight knife. Well, that's good. I have a trip to the jungle planned here in the next couple months, so that's going to be good. Let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, no paperwork. That's fine. Oh, big thumb studs there. Ooh. Okay, so first observation, it feels a little lighter than I would expect. I mean, if we're looking at a nice chunk of metal here, I would expect a little more weight. I'm not disappointed. I'm just saying that it's a little lighter than I expected, but really nice looking knife. And usually at this point in any video, I'm telling you it was inspired by some other knife or modeled after another knife or supposed to look and behave like another knife. That's not the case here. So I'm curious, this original, unless we find out otherwise, this original that I've purchased, does it have a good sharp blade right out of the factory? Let's see. Ooh. Oh, goodness, yes, it does. That is actually very, very sharp. Let's get some flick going here. This is a nice knife. I do plan a follow-up with this, so I'm going to carry it, I'm going to use it, I'm going to cut some stuff, cut some rope, boxes, everything that I typically cut with a new knife, and follow up. I just can't give it a good name. Typically, I'm saying, hey, you know, this is some clone or something like that. That's not the case, but so far so good. This is a good looking knife. Anyways, I'll include a link to this. I think it's going to be AliExpress unless I find it somewhere else, as well as that FLISSA, the opener. So I'll include a link to this in the description as well. Any questions, shoot them my way. Hey, thanks for watching.